Good morning, it's Thursday the 16th of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro plummeted as fears over Greece's debt crisis intensifies. The Greek Prime Minister offered to step down and proposed a unity government while protests in Athens against austerity measures continue. Against the dollar, the euro shed 2.4%, breaking below the 141 level to trade as low as 140.90 from 144.38. The US dollar got a boost against a basket of currencies after the consumer price index revealed higher than expected figures in May. Heightened risk aversion and escalating concerns over the eurozone debt problems also support the safe haven currency. Against the Japanese yen, the dollar traded as high as 81.05 from 80.38. Against the Swiss franc, the dollar rose as high as 0.8550 from 0.8442. Today, an interest rate decision is expected by the Swiss National Bank, where speculators expect rates to be kept unchanged at 0.25%. Focus now turns to the following statement and whether the SNB will comment on the appreciation of the franc and the monetary policy. Sterling fell yesterday after poor jobs data was released, showing 19.6 thousand unemployed, which was more than the 7,000 expected and the fastest pace in almost 2 years. Against the dollar, the British pound dipped to 161.45 from 163.75. Focus now turns to the UK retail sales released at 8:30 GMT. Oil prices shed 6%, falling to $94.01 a barrel today from $99.93. Gold rose to $1,534.44 an ounce from $1,513.87, and silver also ticked higher to $35.95 an ounce from $34.79. Now let's have a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 142.15 with a preference to enter into short positions at 142.05. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.60 with a preference to enter into long positions at 80.65. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 105.95 with a preference to enter into short positions at 105.95. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 162.25 with a preference to enter into short positions at 162.15. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9770 with a preference to enter into long positions at 0.9770. Now let's have a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 97.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 97.75. The gold pivot point is at 1535 with a preference to enter into short positions at 1535. And the silver pivot point is at 36.20 with a preference to enter into short positions at 36.20. And today's calendar and market movers are the Swiss interest rate decision, forecast to keep rates unchanged at 0.25%. UK retail sales in May are forecast to fall 0.6%. The Europe Consumer Price Index in May is forecast to gain 2.7%. US initial jobless claims are forecast to fall to 420,000, and US housing starts in May are forecast to rise to 540,000. Now on to equity markets. US equities were negative yesterday, with the SP 500 down 1.74% and the Dow was down 1.48%. The European bourses were also negative, with the FTSE down 1.04%, the DAX was down 1.25% and the CAC was down 1.49%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was down 1.47% and the Hang Seng was down 1.45%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andrea from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.